It's very peaceful here. It's very peaceful here. Can you see that? Can you see that? I am so grateful. I am so grateful. What are your plans? What are your plans? I am getting ready. I am getting ready. Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook? It's very windy today. It's very windy today. I need a vacation. I need a vacation. Can you show me? Can you show me? I am working on it. I am working on it. What time do you start work? What time do you start work? Do you have any plans? Do you have any plans? It's very quiet today. It's very quiet today. I am learning a lot. I am learning a lot. Can you give me a minute? Can you give me a minute? I am very curious. I am very curious. What did you learn? What did you learn? I am going to clean up. I am going to clean up. Do you like animals? Do you like animals? It's very busy today. It's very busy today. I need some help. I need some help. Can you come over? Can you come over? I am so impressed. I am so impressed. What is your opinion? What is your opinion? I am having fun. I am having fun. Do you want to come? Do you want to come? It's very calm here. It's very calm here. I need to find it. I need to find it. Can you keep a secret? Can you keep a secret? I am very relaxed. I am very relaxed. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? I am going to wash my hands. I am going to wash my hands. Do you like reading? Do you like reading? It's very bright today. It's very bright today. I need some fresh air. I need some fresh air. Can you wait for me? Can you wait for me? I am very confident. I am very confident. What did you enjoy? What did you enjoy? I am looking for work. I am looking for work. Do you like pizza? Do you like pizza? It's very warm today. It's very warm today. I need to sit down. I need to sit down. Can you finish this? Can you finish this? I am very lucky. I am very lucky. What are you watching? What are you watching? I am going to the office. I am going to the office. Do you want a drink? Do you want a drink? It's very pleasant today. It's very pleasant today. I need to talk to you. I need to talk to you. Can you recommend something? Can you recommend something?